Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about AdWords landing page experience, and we're going straight to the horse's mouth for this one and understanding landing page experience. So we're going to go through this and then go through one of our demo pages and just show you exactly how it's supposed to work. So this is straight from Google, so take this as gospel. Offer relevant, useful, and original content. Don't steal other people's content and make your landing pages. Okay? Relevancy. Make sure, like it says here, be specific what the user wants for a particular thing. So if our demo landing page is pest control, so if we're taking someone who's looking for pest control, they need to come to a landing page that's centered and themed around pest control. Do not take them to a wildlife pest control website, okay, or landing page. You need to have a specific wildlife pest control landing page for the wildlife type keywords. All right, pest control has to center around pests. It's really simple, but you'd be surprised. Be general when your user wants options. If someone's looking to compare digital cameras, they probably don't want to land on a specific model's page. Okay, so that's something, this is more of like e-commerce stuff, so that not really going to apply to us right now. But just take what I just said. So pest control goes to a pest control landing page. Wildlife control goes to a wildlife control landing page. All right, just like if you're a roofer, roof replacement is going to a roof replacement landing page. It's not going to a flat roofing landing page. All right, just a little bit of common sense is used, and this is going to help your landing page experience, which is in turn going to help your quality score. Promote transparency and foster trustworthiness on your website. Openly share information about your business and clearly state what your business does. Okay, so let's go to our demo page. Here's where we have a big content block exactly about our business, about our company, and what we do. Down here, we're going to have our actual corporate headquarter address. Our physical address is right here. Another little blurb about the company. Really important stuff. And you should have a privacy policy. I don't have one here. But you should have a privacy policy that links to a pop-up that just pops up and it gives you a basic privacy policy. Google wants to see that stuff. It's really important to them. All right, so if we go back over, make mobile and computer navigation easy. All right, so click to call buttons if you're on mobile, stuff like that. That's all going to increase the landing page experience. Decrease your landing page load time. Make sure your pages pop up quick. If you have, I can tell you right now, if you have a landing page or website and you're sending Google Ads traffic to it and it's taking 6 to 7 seconds to open a page, you're toast. It's going to have a horrible conversion rate, horrible quality scores. It's going to be a total mess. All right, they reinforce that down here. Make sure your site's fast. So that's just important to understand. So if we walk through our demo page here, you can see we're very clear when someone lands on this exactly what they're getting. All right, so our ads and keywords, our keywords are talking about pest control services, pest control removal. They're going to come to an ad. Our ad's going to be displayed for that keyword for pest control removal. They're going to click the ad. They're going to come to this landing page where it talks about pest control removal right here. It's right in their face the second they hit the page. Then we come down here, top rated pest control company serving, insert city name. So we're saying right away, yes, we remove pests. We're a top rated company and we're local in your city. And if they're outside of your city, sometimes surrounding areas, I always like to toss in just to kind of capture everybody. Then they're going to come down here. They're going to see authentic, real pictures, not stock photos, authentic, real pictures. They're going to get a little block about your company, your main call to action, request a free estimate, show pictures of pests. You're going to tell them all the pests you remove. They're going to come down here. You're going to see, oh, wow, they're a real business. Here's their address. Here's an about them. Final call to action. Click to call. Areas we serve. List all the cities and zip codes. So cities is fine, but list all the cities that you serve right here. They're going to come down here to see your company name. They're going to see your privacy policy. It's all a legitimate. Exactly what they're searching for, you're solving that issue. So they're searching for a problem, you're providing a solution. That is a total win. That's all Google cares about. They don't care about anything else. As long as you're not spamming, that's it. They want the best user experience. That is, their whole business is optimized around user experience. So that's important to understand when you're building your landing pages. And this goes back to what I talk about a lot in our course, Landing Page Academy, is message match. If your message match is off, you're done. You're dead in the water. It's never going to work. No matter how many times or how many landing pages you test, if your message match is off, it's never going to work. So that's the most important thing that most people get wrong is we're not going to send wildlife control exterminator or wildlife control expert to this page. It's not a good message, and we're not talking about wildlife. We're talking about pests. Why would they become a lead? Why would they call? We're not solving what they're searching. You understand what I mean? So that's just something to take away from this video. It's very important. And just go through. I mean, sometimes it helps just refresh and just go through and just get it from the horse's mouth of what they want. Just give them what they want, and they'll give you what you want, which is leads and phone calls. All right? Hopefully this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the little red button in the bottom right of this video. And if you're interested in learning more about creating high converting landing pages, or you want some more specific examples like the one I just showed you, check out a link to our landing page course, Landing Page Academy. I'll put that in the description, a link to that, and I'll also put a few other links in there to some other cool things that I think you guys will find useful.